Hello and welcome to the Trisure USA factory in Carroll Stream, Illinois. Today we are with John Bushman, Quality Manager of the Trisure facility. We are going to walk through the proper installation and removal of our Plasti-Plugs into a plastic drum, as well as the proper installation and removal of our patented push-lock cap. Plasti-Plugs for a plastic drum come in two different designs in North America. One of the designs is the G2x5 buttress thread, which is also referred to as the coarse threaded plug, and the second is the G2x11.5 NPS plug, which is commonly referred to as the fine threaded plug. John is going to install these plugs utilizing our plug adapter. Trisure offers the plug adapters in both 1/2 inch and 3/8 inch drive options. As you can see, our plug adapter has been connected to a torque wrench. That torque wrench has been preset to the 20 foot-pound minimum torque requirement to install these plugs. This torque wrench will let John know when he reaches the 20 foot-pounds of resistance. You can also connect our plug adapters to torque wrenches that are regulated and controlled by pneumatics. For quality assurance purposes, we recommend to regularly check the process parameters that have an influence on the applied torque, such as the air pressure and wrench settings. Here, John will install our push-lock cap. As you can see, with one swift motion it is installed. When removing the cap, it's best removed making a Z-like pattern, which allows the push-lock cap to be removed as one solid piece. Now John will remove the Plasti-Plugs. We have a few universal plug removal tools, depending upon your preference, that are either cast or assembled. We also offer a non-spark version of our universal plug removal tools for applications that require that added safety feature. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions or would like more information, please reach out to your company representative, or you can find additional contact information at our Greif.com and Trisure.com websites.